Hi all, in this session we are going to see how we can able to perform mouse hover operation on web element. The entire program is present in this GitLab locations. Okay, so let's go any browser and we're going to see how we can able to perform. In this case I am going to this website, that is a demo web shop, and afterward once open I am going to element on computers. So once we go on there, you can see the new pop-up window is going to open. Pop-up means the new menus, so we can able to perform these operations. So similarly we have electronics also, there also we can able to go and we are going to see with these elements are present. So this only happen when you perform the mouse over operation on these elements. So let's write one program. Okay, now I'm going to create one new program. Name of the program is mouse over demo. Okay, now public static void main. Now create a web's Chrome driver, that is a system dot set property webdriver dot chrome dot driver comma location of the Chrome driver c colon slash slash tech made me lazy slash slash lib slash slash browser drivers slash slash Chrome driver dot exe. Now webdriver is equal to new Chrome driver. Now we successfully created Chrome driver. Now we are going to add 10-second implicit wait driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicit wait 10 comma time minutes dot seconds. Now we are going to maximize the browser driver dot manage dot window dot maximize the browser. Then afterward we are going to navigate to that location, that is driver dot get comma. I will directly copy this URL from here. Okay, now we are done. Now once we go there, now we need to perform the mouse over operation on these two elements. So for that, as we know, if you want to perform any mouse related or keyboard related actions, we need to use the actions class. By using that class, actions class, we can able to perform any mouse or keyboard related events. So actions is equal to new actions. You need to pass the driver as a parameter. Then afterward, actions dot, we need to move to that element. So if you want to perform any mouse or operation means, then you can directly you can call move to element method. So it will go to that one. So before going that, I need to copy the location of this computer button here. Yeah, Control F, that is computers. Then I can directly write here, that is driver dot find element by partial link test, that is computers. Then afterward dot perform. We are done. Now we are going to wait for 15 seconds. Then afterward we are going to quit the browser. Driver dot quit. This is done. This is for throws exception. Okay, now let's see whether we can able to run this program. Right mouse button, click the run button. Okay, performing compilation operations. Program execution has started. Now created the Chrome browser. Now opening the browser window. Now it is navigating to website. Now Once this done, it is going to mouse over on this one here. Here you can see it's perform here. Okay, now it's going to 15 seconds. Then afterward, it is going to close. Okay, so the first operation is successfully done. Yes. So similarly, we are going to write the same method one more time. Thread dot sleep. Now the next one is electronics. Electronics. Okay. Here I will give 10 seconds instead of 15 seconds because it takes some time. So right mouse button action. Don't touch the mouse button now. Now the program will automatically perform those mouse over operations. Program has started. Browser has opened. Now to navigate to that location, browser. Yeah, now it is going to see, you can see in the computers the pop-up window or drop-down window has opened. Now it is waiting for 10 seconds. Then afterward it will go to electronics button. There the new pop-up is open. Yeah, you can see now we can the mouse button is pointed to electronics. Now we can see camera and cell phones. Now it is going to wait for 10 seconds and afterward it is going to quit the browser. Yeah, it's done. So that's all. So by using actions class we can able to perform mouse over operations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar kind of videos.